So now that you've got Greenkeeper downloaded and you can open that up, I'm going to show you how to load your course. Now this is an older video that I'm editing. I'll update it fully later on, but one thing you have to understand, in V4, when you build your course in Unity, okay, when you do the build course button, you create a new file that is a little bit different than it used to be in V3. In V3, that file was a Unity file. In V4, it is a GSP encrypted file. So you'll see in the video that I'm posting here, a little graphic at the point where you're loading your Unity file, and you'll see that instead of a Unity file that you built, it will be a encrypted file. So just be aware of that while you're watching this. Yes, you do. And then this little pop-up, this is going to look familiar. It looks like kind of what you get in GS Pro when you start it, right? Well, that's because Greenkeeper actually is running Unity just like GS Pro. So you're going to pick your screen resolution. You can choose to pick to run it in windowed mode, just like you can with GS Pro. I'm going to do full screen just because you guys want to be able to see what I'm doing. I run it in medium. There's no reason really to run anything on ultra or very high because we don't need great graphics to do what we want to do in Greenkeeper, and it's only going to bog down your computer. So I would suggest medium low. I'm going to select medium. I got a decent PC here. I'm going to select the right monitor, which is the one you're looking at right now. I'm going to hit play. Now what's going to happen is Greenkeeper is going to start, and it's going to immediately ask you to browse to a file. Now what you're looking for is your Unity asset bundle, which is wherever, when you built your course inside of Unity, wherever you put that. So you might have put it in your GS Pro courses file, which is what I did in this case. And we are going to be looking at Glacier Golf Club, which is actually Rock Creek, what I did with the tutorial series, but I changed the name because I pretty much turned it into a fantasy course. So that's going to open up. I'm going to pause this because the initialization can take a minute or two. If this gets stuck here for some reason, check your file, your Unity file name. Make sure you don't have any extra periods in there or special characters. Sometimes Greenkeeper does not like that. So Greenkeeper loaded up. I don't know what happened to it. It seems to have crashed on me. Let me pause. Not really sure what happened there, but it's working fine now. So now I'm inside of Greenkeeper, and let's talk about navigation, first of all. To get around in here, it's just like moving around in Unity. I'm going to right mouse click and hold it down, and if I move my mouse around, I can look around, but I stay in one spot. If I hit the W key, I move forward slowly. If I hit Shift W, I move forward fast. Oh, my waterfall's working, I can hear that. If I do Q goes elevator down, E goes elevator up, A and D strafe left and right, and S is reverse, while W, is forward. So that's what we have in here. I want to make sure you understand that inside Greenkeeper, the exit and save functions. Save will go ahead and save my file. And you can see there's nothing, I haven't inputted anything in here, so it's kind of blank. But when you hit save, okay, do not exit before it's done saving, okay? Or else you're gonna get some wacky stuff because it goes through some screen captures and some other stuff. And before, if you don't wait for it to finish saving, you might get some abnormal results, okay? That's the first thing. Now there's a couple requirements here, but we're gonna get to those in the next videos. Well, on to the next video.